Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to send cash on Cash App. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To send money on Cash App, open the app on your device. Before you can send money to someone, you'll need to know their cash tag, phone number, or email address. If you want to find your own cash tag, tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Under your profile information, you'll see your cash tag. Now, go back to the home screen and enter the amount you want to send. Then tap Pay. Next, search for the recipient using their cash tag, including the dollar symbol, phone number, or email address. You can also choose one of the suggested contacts if they appear. After selecting the recipient, enter an optional note to describe the payment. You'll then be taken to the review page, where you can confirm your payment method, such as your Cash App balance or a linked bank account or debit card. Once everything looks correct, tap Pay to send the money, and your payment will be sent to the recipient instantly. And that's it. So that's basically how you can send cash on Cash App. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.